I'm at 3913 Avalon Trail in Garland, Texas. This whole subdivision is right off of I-30, so easy access to major highways. Brand new house. It's 1 year old. When I say brand new, 1 year old. It was built by Paul Taylor Homes, so fit and finish are divine. It is a 1.5 story. The only thing upstairs is a game room. Downstairs, you've got 4 bedrooms. The primary's off the back. The other bedrooms are up front. There's 2 patio areas. One off the breakfast nook, like a normal backyard, but then there's like this sun patio, breakfast, I don't want to say breakfast, more like coffee patio. So come take a look at this beautiful home.